Hello, we are at 2245 Larkin Street, apartment 10. This is a large studio apartment. We're up on the second floor of the building. Hardwood floors throughout. So right when you come in the unit, main room here, nice big bay window, gets beautiful natural light. This room is large. You could do a king size bed in here, no trouble. Okay, we're facing Larkin here. We're on Larkin at Union Street. Give you a little view here out of the windows. Okay, the rent does include steam heat. So there's a heater here. And you'll see there's another one up here closer to the kitchen, off of the hallway. And this building has Comcast in terms of cable and internet. Okay, so there is one very large walk-in closet. Those are the white curtains that we need to hang back up on the window. So sorry, we're gonna get that one lonely curtain there, some company. All right, so you can get to this closet from the hallway where we are now, or you can also access it from the main room. Okay, next we have the bathroom. Have a shower over tub. Okay, bathroom has the original tile floor. Got a mirrored medicine chest there. And then some built-in shelves here. Okay, there is the other radiator. All right, coming into the kitchen. Has a small dining area and some beautiful original built-in cabinets here on the left. Lots and lots of storage space. And then this section of the kitchen was updated before the last tenant moved in. So newer cabinets here, stainless steel hood, gas stove, quartz countertops, fridge. Got tile floor here in this section. Okay, so that is a quick look at the unit. If you're interested in seeing it in more detail, please get in touch with me and I'm happy to set up a Zoom meeting with you. Okay, we're at 2245 Larkin, and this is apartment 10. Thanks for watching.